and welcome to today's video. My name is Stella and today we got another lenses try on and I think it's gonna blow your mind like it blew out mine. I came back to film this intro and I think you're gonna be amazed. I also have a discount code for you. So yeah, you're welcome. By the way, pardon my nails because we've been doing nails in the nail school and I just broke two of mine. So yeah. The company is called Mislens and they have this beautiful packaging. And they contacted me to give me some of their products so that I can try them out because they said they are pretty new. So I'm excited. Let's go. First one is called STUNNA Girl Nadine. They have no power on. It looks like this. Whenever you're trying lenses, make sure you have some lens solution and you also have very clean hands because you don't want anything to just get into your eyes. Oh my god, these, I think these are, this is so interesting, you guys. It has a beauty mark on the eye. That's awesome. Let's see how they fit in my eye. Is it in? It's in. Oh my god, that one is so easy. So that's one eye. And that's the other. Okay, hello. They have some beautiful marks. Kinda yellowish. Very pretty. Looking very natural from far away. So yeah, we love. Let's go to the next one. They have their own boxes, but their boxes do not come sealed. So some of them were open in the shipping box and I don't know how I feel about that, but yeah, very comfortable. Very comfortable. Okay, perfect. Second one is called DOPAMINE and it's a very, very deep blue. Like almost like an ocean blue. Like that. They're so pretty. They're FDA approved and all the good stuff, so don't worry about putting them in your eyes. Okay. We like a good blue. Oh my god, like I look like an elf or something. Oh shit. I don't think I've ever worn a blue like that. It just, wait, let me get the light in my favor. Ooh. It's just looking so out of this world. I don't know. Love it. Okay guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm in love with this. I always thought blue was not my color, but I love it. Going to the next. This is called OXYTOCI? OXYTOCI? OXYTOCI. I don't know how you read that. But yeah, that's what it's called. To be honest, they're open from the other side, so I don't actually need to cut this, but I like it. They're looking like that. This is very, very clean hazel tone and it does not have no limpal ring. It looks different than the rest of them, so I'm not sure what the difference is. Maybe it's the limpal ring. No, the blue ones didn't have one either, but yeah. Okay, let's see about that. I don't know where I sat because the lighting does not seem that great, but when I turn around in the mirror, like, holy guys. Okay, these look insane. They look insane. This is why I'm always just very skeptical by the time I start opening and putting them on. I'm obsessed. They have such good prices. I'm gonna talk to you about that at the end of the video, but whenever a company reaches out to me and they're like, hey, you wanna try? First of all, I don't know if I'm gonna get the package or not, if they're a smaller company. So if I like their color scheme and all that, I say yes. And then I wanna try them, put them on. These are so comfortable. And I got a dope discount for you. But yeah, all that later. So yeah, they're looking great. They're looking gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright, and the last one, they sent me 4 pairs. At first they were like, we're gonna send you 3 pairs. I was like, okay, just letting you know that most companies send 4 pairs, so maybe the video is a little shorter. So they were like, okay, we'll send you 4. So they did send me this. This is another blue, and this looks even more bright than the previous one, even more vibrant, if I can say. I'll let you guys compare them. Oh my god. Oh my, guys, look at that. The color itself is called blue, so there's no more blue than that. Oh god, I want to go to the beach. I want you guys to see this for a second. I want you guys to see this. I want you to see the detail on that. How can I? Wait, maybe I'm on my eye. Wait. Oh god, I put them on the previous one. Oh I forgot I'm wearing the previous one. Guys, help! I have forgotten how to do this right. I'm so sorry. I promise I'll be back. And more consistent. Damn. Shit. Wait, my battery is dying. Let me change it. Okay, I'm back. Excuse me? Excuse me? Hello? Let me put the other one on. Oh my god, you guys. I get so happy when I'm trying out lenses. I don't know about you, but they just bring me some sort of happiness. Okay. Summer who? Some of this. It's pretty. It is so pretty. You can't tell. Wait. Whoa! I don't know if you can tell all the colors that are in this, but it literally looks like the ocean. It's crazy. I don't know how natural it looks or not, but I am sold. I'm sold. Love them. Oh, hi. Just for reference, guys, this is what the colors look like. I am obsessed. I'm telling you. Mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. Okay, guys, so with that being said, wow. They gave me a discount code for you. It's called Stella20. You can find all that in the referrer link in the description box. They are so cheap. You can find them from like 10, maybe even under 10 euros, dollars, whatever your currency is. They're pretty close nowadays. Up to 20, somewhere there. The range is like really affordable, and I was not ready for what I was gonna see. So yeah, Stella20 for 20% off. You get 20% off. That's a lot. They usually give me 10. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Until then, make sure you take care of yourself, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Lots of kisses. Bye!